Hi, we're going to make flaxseed crackers today at Natural Healing Center. First, you need clearly filtered water, which is really great. 97% no hard metals in the water. Flaxseed, all raw and natural. You put it into the bowl and add water to it. And there you go. And then we stir it. We add the water. And we have to make it the right consistency, so I'm going to stir in the water. So it's very thick, and you just want it to be able to pour. We salted the butcher paper, parchment paper. We put parchment paper on our dehydrator. And I didn't really add any extra seeds into this. We just have flax seeds by themselves. Super easy. I might put basil on the top. That. So we wanted a pouring consistency. Make sure there's no lumps in there. Now we're going to go and put it on the parchment paper. And let's put it on this parchment paper right here. So come follow me onto there. Perfect. And you just want it to be able to pour a nice even stream of seeds. Then we put it on, when we light up the dehydrator, we keep it under 118 degrees so that they're raw. There you go. We'll do this one. Oh, too much. So this is a good example of what not to do. We're going to take the spatula and push it all around. There we go. Too many seeds will make it thick and gooey. I don't mind it if I want it thick like bread. If it's thin, it'll be a cracker. If it's really thick, it'll be a crust. And it's okay. It just means longer time in the dehydrator. So that didn't turn out so shabby. There we go. And this is a nice amount. We can, there. Then we put a little salt on the top of them. I like mine salty. I just happen to be a savory person. We could put basil on there. Salt a little bit on top. Salt a little on top. Then we put it on top of the rack. Put it on the rack. And then we put the top on there. Set it to So under about 118, it says 115 here, right about there. And we'll be seeing it in 24 hours. We'll have brand new crackers. Thank you.